Coach Leo, with more players embracing the system and stepping up defensively, and the team finding its rhythm on offense, what do you feel has been the biggest factor in sustaining this performance, and how do you carry this into your game versus Meralco?
I think the situation that we have, because this game is very important for us, we need to get us to top 4 to gain the twice advantage. If we lose and Robin will be at number 5. So we treat this thing as it's the start of best of 3. So nakaisa na kami, so we need one game sa quarterfinals to get into the semifinals. But because of that situation we have, so the players' mindset is really want to win it. And you can see naman out-to-bounded sila and out-hustle. And the key is the defense. Because the situation is, alam nila kung ano sitwasyon meron kami ngayon.
Thank you, Coach. Great performance today. CJ, happy Father's Day. Para sa'yo, ano yung naging effective sa laro mo lang sa execution nyo? And paano mo dadalhin sa next game?
I think being aggressive lang talaga ng offense and yung execute ng play namin, yun yung i-emphasize din ako sa practice. And dito lang ako aggressive, look for my defense also.
Thank you, CJ. We now open the floor for questions from our friends from the press.
CJ, congratulations. Number 1 seed kayo and sure na nakalaban mo kasi ang Meralco yung kumana sa inyo last year sa mga Pilipino. Papasok pa kayo dito sa quarterfinals na may axe to grind kayo against Meralco knowing yung outcome last year na nabigo kayo makuha yung championship.
I think it's a different ballgame now. Yung nakaraan is past na yun. And syempre, to deliver ourselves also na yun nga, natalo kami nung finals pero I think sa effort namin and sa system nila coach, makakabawi kami. And ayun, we need to focus na talaga sa Meralco. Panalo kami na isa. Yun, we'll see.
CJ, ang tingin mo yung kailangan yung tignan sa Meralco na to make sure na ma-secure niyo yung quarterfinal series nyo?
They have a good system. So, kailangan din namin tapatan yung energy nila. And yun nga, sa defense, kailangan namin mag-focus sa defense. And I think offense will come. Pag-implement sa akin na maayos, pressure on the ball, running sa transition defense, yung kailangan namin i-improve pa. So, yun yung i-improve namin. Kasi Meralco, nila lang tayo sa buhay.
Coach, good evening and CJ. Para sa inyo dalawa, last conference, hindi kayo nakapasok ng playoffs. Naging motivation ba yun sa inyo going to this conference na maging number 1 this time?
Yeah, actually number 1 is not our goal. Just to get into the final 4. And I mean top 4 to bring the twice advantage. And the loss that we have and the last conference, it's a motivation for us because it's a disappointing conference for us because in the last decade, so we've never been out of the playoffs. And I think that's one thing na nalagay sa mindset ng mga players na we cannot afford to have another loss. I mean, not getting into the playoffs. So luckily, yung program namin is to get into the top 4 and sinuwerte kami and nagkaroon kami ng chance to get into the top seed at the end of the elimination, last game namin. And credit ko sa mga players because at the start of the conference, they work really hard, especially sa defense na sabi ni CJ. So we have to be consistent on our defense. And it's very evident naman compared to the last season we have. So it's a different team in terms of defense. Last conference, so hindi kami nakakasama sa top 5, top 6, ganyan, on offense and defense. I think if you will take a look at the stats, ganyan, medyo kasama kami sa top 6 lagi. And every department.
Yun nga, nasa top seed kami ngayon pero it doesn't matter kasi lahat ng team ngayon sobrang nag-improve talaga. And last conference, yun nga, hindi sanay yung, yung San Miguel na wala sa playoffs And lahat kami parang disappointed sa sarili namin, sa mga players, lalo-lalo na yung management sa amin. So, yun, ang ginawa namin ngayon is focus yun nga sa top 4 and dahan-dahanin namin yung playoffs, hindi yung kahit sa
Thank you, everyone. That ends our closing press conference. Congratulations, whole players, CJ.
Thank you.